Hello guys, today we're gonna pack our lunch boxes for tomorrow's school. Let's get into it. So today I have two.
You're taking up all the. Okay.
Today we have two Meggie chocolate pandas for me and my best friend. So let's just head and pack that.
I'm gonna pack one.
Yeah, cause you're.
Then I'm gonna get half
Nobody
a
cares.
C-bar.
And I'm gonna pack. So, and then I'm gonna pack one. Stop!
I'm gonna pack. Hurry up and pack them.
And then I'm gonna pack one Welch fruit gummy.
I'm gonna pack a chocolate brownie C-bar. With two.
And I'm gonna pack this whole.
Roll
And I'm gonna pack this whole chip bag. I'm joking, I'm not. Where's the Ziplocs? And so today we have a Ziploc that we're gonna put this in. So I don't know. Opening. Smells nice.
Oh wait, I have my BTS.
Your BTS lunchbox. New jeans is better.
Okay.
You care enough to answer. Nothing. No, you need a chair. I thought you're 14. You're short. You're that short.
If I acting for the camera.
I'm not acting for the camera. I always roast you. Stop.
Mom, have you seen my
Okay,
BTS?
that's just good. Bro, I need to wash my hands because my hands are dusty.
What the Jack? That's not yours.
And then we have this cute Takis on this side. We're just gonna close this. And put this over to the side. This is mine. And then we have two Takis. So we'll just put the Takis right here.
Actually, let me hit Jack. I'm sorry, Jack.
You said.
Here, do you want your toothbrush? Let's go get your toothbrush.
What about nothing to Okay, so I'm actually gonna add one more. Well, where's the Welch? Did y'all eat all the Welches? There's no more Welch gummies.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't.
Have to
Oh,
look for it.
never mind. Okay, then Welch gummy. Okay, Welch gummies for me and my bestie, cause we need that. Oh my God, there's a random tissue in here.
But I can't find it.
What happened to your BTS lunchbox? Did Lola throw it?
No, she didn't. That one.
Wait, it might be here. You see all of them?
I can't see it.
Wait, let me try to move.
There's nothing there, Maddie.
This is where we go. Actually, I want to get this because
I can't really find it.
this is where I really have my glasses.
So look under there on the bottom, maybe.
We forgot the video. Haley can't find her BTS lunchbox. It's not there.
I don't know, like here. Look.
She can't find her BTS lunchbox. It might be there, right?
It's not in here. It's gonna be in the other house.
Sorry.
It's fine.
I feel bad.
Where did you get the Ziploc?
There. We forgot the video, so I'm just gonna try my best to entertain.
Don't you look at the ano?
Huh?
Look at your drinkers din sa lana.
Okay. We have water. So I'm just gonna carry my water. Did you drop one?
Hey, don't mix up our drink.
No, this one's mine and this one's yours. So to the left. Crisscross. You dropped a couple.
Where?
These are good.
That one?
Yeah.
Just this? Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. I'll pick it up. Dude.
And it's currently 8:34, and I mean 8:35 because that clock is 1 minute behind. So I'm planning to go to sleep at 9 o'clock, cause
Why?
I usually go to sleep at like 12, at 11. Yeah, I go to sleep at 11 too. So and I need to sleep early.
Nice.
Yes, I do. And now here's the pack for pasta. You can just put my leftover in that. And then I'm just gonna zip this up so my mom can warm the pasta and put the stuff in here. And this is my currently water bottle. It's kind of, and then so my mom can also put my ice water here.
I don't understand no more.
Are the video is all yours. I'll help you pack.
No, that's it.
Okay.
I'm trying to find the clip.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching a short vlog. Maybe see you tomorrow, but cause I'm gonna get dropped first. Oh wait, dropped first. I'm gonna go to school first because my brother's gonna go drive my sister to school because my brother's a senior and she's a sophomore, and my school starts at 8:45 and their school starts at 9:30 on Mondays, but their school starts at 8:30 and then my school starts at 8:45 again. So peace out.